Got a phone call from Rhino Liner in Bristol, and I ordered some Weathertech mats for myself for my truck for the 2018 Sierra, and I also ordered some for my wife's terrain. So I'm heading there to go and pick those mats up, and we're gonna pick them up and install them, and I'm gonna let you guys go along for the ride with me. And if you guys are looking for mats and stuff, these are like the top of the line mats to get for your vehicle. And unfortunately, I'm kind of messy, man. I'm always in and out of my vehicles and stuff, so this is going to be awesome for the truck. And one cool thing about these mats is that you don't really have to vacuum them or anything. If you go to the car wash or whatever, you just take them out, wipe them down with a rag or whatever. Or if they're really dirty, you can, I guess, rinse them off. And it's supposed to protect your carpet, make it look brand new. So we're about to pull up here to Rick's at Rhino Liner. There you go. I'll turn you guys back on once we get our stuff. Hey guys, I forgot to show you last time whenever we got the steps and stuff. I promised you guys I was going to introduce you guys to Rick, the owner up here at Rhino Liner of Bristol. So hey Rick, introduce yourself to you, man.
Howdy, I'm Rick Stevens. Been in business since '99, and glad to meet Chris. He fits right in with us and our enthusiasm for trucks.
Yeah. Awesome. So, all right, guys. So we're inside. Unfortunately, we gotta wear a mask in here because there's other customers. So you gotta respect their privacy as well. But last time I was in here, I didn't show you guys. They got all kinds of stuff. I just finished showing you guys because the other video was a little long. But they got the big giant trailer hitches and everything. Big grills for your trucks and stuff. So I didn't show you guys that last time. Alright guys, so these are for my, because these are my wife's, right?
These?
Yeah, that's the front and back. Alright, cool guys, so this is what we're going to be doing, an unboxing here in a few seconds. We're going to get back to the house and we're going to unbox these and lay them in the vehicles. And actually, all right guys, so I'll turn you guys back on once we get to the house and once we do a quick unboxing. All right crew, we are back inside the garage and we are about to do an unboxing of these WeatherTech floor liners for the GMC 2018 Sierra truck. And these floor liners, they should be awesome. One thing I like about them already is that, of course, they are made right here in the USA. I'm all about that. And these laser measured floor mats, they're supposed to be a perfect fit. Like it says, the most advanced concept in custom fit floor protection lines the front, back, and sides of the vehicle footwells. So we're gonna open these things up and put them in the truck and see what we think about them. Alright, let's get to unboxing. This should be a really easy unboxing. Shouldn't really need a knife or anything. Hey, you guys just met Rick, the owner of Rhino Liner of Bristol. He's a really cool guy. You know, he helped me out with everything I need. Let's put this down here in front so you guys can see what we're opening up. Probably can't see it anyway, but that's fine. I guess this right here sticks in, so I guess it goes on the bottom so your liner won't move to the carpet. This comes with it, pretty neat. Got a little product catalog here, and these are the front mats here. So this is the driver's side. This must be the passenger side. Yep. This is the second box here. We'll open this one up. This must be for the back piece. Another little catalog if you want to order more stuff. And this is for the back seat area. And you see got that hump there that goes over your little hump. And this will go all up the side of your carpet as well. So we're going to go ahead and install these babies into the truck here. Hey boy, I got Momo here, a shop dog here, helping me out today. installing the Weathertech floor mats. He's been sleeping all day. And of course you guys know I got Poppy. She's with me as well. Yes sir, she's with me as well. So let's go ahead and install these floor mats, guys. Alright, so I'm assuming this should be a pretty straightforward installation. I know, just take out the old ones. They got these that came with it. You see, these are the little small original ones that came with it, but they're very small. Go to the other side over here and check out that side. I may come on this side to take it out. As you see how small they are, they don't really cover much area. Some of it goes in just like that. And we'll go over there and pull it. Pull this here. Voila. Got that little hump right there. Man, that's perfect. And these are actually laser fitted, so that's, I mean, man, they look really good. Look at that look there. And let's just see to come down. Just like that. Man, it covers all of the carpet in the back, see? All of the carpet. Man, they look really good. Man, really good. Let's do the front ones now. We'll take out the old ones. As you see how small that is. So that's that one there. How small it is compared to the WeatherTech. That's what came out of the truck, and that's what's going in the truck. The little suctions, that's the same as these here, except these got plugs in them. Smart. They're not in the sun too much, so I don't blame them. Snap that, you hear that button snap? I think that's not the right one. Now unless it goes on that side. I think this is the passenger. Oh, my bad. I think it is. It's the passenger side. Clip didn't line up. Poppy going back and forth following me. It just slides in like that. So to get you guys situated again. In there. Man. Look at that. Wow. That's slick, man. That's slick. That look really good. Now they also had one that covered your center console over there, but Rick suggested that this would be better because then it'd be hard taking that mat in and out to clean, and then you get everything all dirty again. So, all right. Yeah, that's more like it. That's the pasture side. I had it backwards. See how that covers up everything there. I like that. Yep, I like that. All right. All right, there you go, guys. We just got through doing the installation of the WeatherTech floor mats and stuff. They look great. They turned out good. And if you guys know anybody, I don't know if I keep these or not. Give me a couple of weeks. Let me think on it. But since they're original, I may just end up keeping them. And if I ever get rid of the old truck, I just put these back in. So, because these floor mats here that I got, they actually fit several different models from the Chevrolet and the GMC. So I don't know what I do, but for right now, I'm just gonna keep them. But anyway, they turned out really good, guys. I'll show you guys the back. Man, I like that. Yep. Hey guys, so like I said, thanks for hanging out with me this evening. Just a real short video. Hope you guys like my WeatherTech floor mats installed. And if you have any questions, get a hold of Rick at Rhino Liner of Bristol and tell him the cigar man sent you and he'll hook you guys up. So like I always tell people, if you got a good cigar, a fast car and truck, smoke them if you got them, baby.